European stock markets are trading modestly higher this morning, with the UK's FTSE 100 index up around about 0.4%, while the Eurostoxx 50 index is up about 0.5%. In the currency market, the dollar is gaining some ground against its rivals, while in the corporate bond market space, both Spanish, Italian and Portuguese bond yields are tighter across the board. Good morning, I'm Ishaq, Siddiqi, and welcome to your daily market bite. Let me give you a quick idea of what's going on in stocks today. So let's start off with the news overnight. We've had Chinese PMI manufacturing numbers, which were much weaker than expected, falling to an 11-month low at 47.7. Very worrying numbers out of China on the whole, reaffirming the fact that this country is experiencing a significant slowdown in its manufacturing and other facets of the economy. Now, earlier this week we had the Chinese premier saying that the country's policymakers will do their best to make sure that China's growth remains above 7.5% on the GDP rate for 2013. That ultimately suggests that Chinese policymakers will add stimulus into the economy to stimulate it. So a bit of reassurance on that side, and that's kind of helped investors to look at the news in a way where, although it's worrying, we know that we're going to have support from the Chinese government at some point. So manufacturing may be declining, but perhaps not for too long, given the fact that the Chinese will do something about it. Now, the other big news that we had overnight was the numbers from Apple, big tech giant, global brand name, of course. Apple was expected to follow its peers with an ugly set of numbers. Of course, we had numbers from Google and Microsoft last week, which fell below expectations, and we also had poor numbers out from the likes of Intel, the chip maker. So there was a bit of worries on the Apple side that we're going to see a bit of a miss on the sales and the overall figure. However, Apple did buck the trend. They did surprise the market with a strong set of numbers. iPhone sales did beat across the board, which is quite positive for Apple. iPad sales deteriorated a touch. Investors were enthused by the fact that management of Apple had dropped a few hints about the pipeline, so more Apple products to come at some point, but still very vague on that front. On the whole, though, it is a generally positive set of numbers, given the fact that expectations were quite low going into the Apple report. Now, that's helped the technology sector across the board. Asian markets benefited from the Apple report, and in Europe we're also seeing tech stocks up on the back of that. At the same time, we have to remember we had a wealth of earnings out from Europe this morning, particularly ARM Holdings, who supply chips to Apple, and they reported a good set of numbers. Daimler, the German car maker, reported a very strong set as well. Alstom and EasyJet as well, to name a few. Iberdrola, the Spanish energy giant, also reported a pretty strong set on the headline numbers, despite the fact that it is only suffering from aggressive cuts by the Spanish government on their energy reform. Now, going ahead, we have Eurozone PMI numbers, which have ticked up a little bit. Still below the 50 mark, which signals expansion, so below 50 contraction, above 50 expansion. So on the whole, investors are reading the report as a positive side that we're inching closer to the 50 mark, but at the same time we're still not above the 50 mark. We're still in a contraction zone, but we are doing a bit better than expected. So that's bringing a bit of joy to the market. We have US home sales data, which investors are looking forward to. Remember, this week we had existing home sales, which were much less than expected. So new home sales can be eyed very cautiously ahead of later on this afternoon. We've got earnings out from Boeing, Caterpillar, and PepsiCo from the US, which will take focus, but of course the big number is going to be GlaxoSmithKline, who will be reporting earnings around about noon UK time. Now, when it comes to the actual headline earnings, people aren't really too interested about the fact that the company is going to beat almost expectations. Generally, the expectations are looking to perform in line. They're going to perhaps give some information about the divestments with their brands, Lucas and Albina, and it may also hint more on their pipeline and also the acquisition pipeline. So on the whole, the number side of things aren't really going to be dominating the headlines. What we are going to be looking forward to is management talking about the recent scandal, bribery allegations in China. Now GSK has some of its senior executives have been involved in this scandal by bribing Chinese doctors and institutions to prop up the price of their medicines or to endorse their medicines, and that scandal is now spreading across the sector. We have AstraZeneca who's been named in this, and the likes of Merck and Sanofi. So quite worrying for the pharma sector. Management is going to have to really quell the market's worries about GSK going forward. Thanks for watching your Daily Market Bite. Tune in for another one. Cheers.